Good morning, my dear students. In this class, we are going to solve the system of equations by Crowd's method. For simplicity, we take three equations in three unknowns. Let us take an example of the system of equations 2x plus 3y plus z equal to minus 1, 5x plus y plus z equal to 9, 3x plus 2y plus 4z equal to 11 by Crowd's method. The first step is to form an augmented matrix. This matrix consists of the elements of the coefficients x, y, z on first column, second column, and third column, and on the fourth column we fill the values with the right hand side values. So it will be 2, 5, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 4, minus 1, 9, and 11. Next we form the derived matrix. The derived matrix is of the form L11, L21, L31, U12, L22, L32, U13, U23, L33, Y1, Y2, Y3. This consists of lower triangular matrix and an upper triangular matrix and the right answer values. In step 1, we take the first element of first column elements. The first column element of derived matrix is same as the elements of first columns of the augmented matrix. It is 2, 5, 3. So I filled with 2, 5, 3 in the derived matrix. Remaining values are yet to be calculated. And in step 2, we have to find out the remaining elements of first row. The remaining elements of first row is obtained by dividing the corresponding elements of A, B by diagonal element of the derived matrix. Now the diagonal element of the derived matrix is 2. So this element is 3 by 2, and this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and here in this position we have minus 1 by the diagonal element 2, minus 1 by 2. So now we have filled up first column element, first row elements. In the next step, we find out the values of remaining element of second column. These elements are obtained by taking the inner product. Inner product means the first row element and column element are to be multiplied in the derived matrix and subtract with the corresponding element of A, B. So it is 1 minus 5 into 3 by 2. 1 minus 5 into 3 by 2, which is equal to minus 13 by 2. Next element is L32. This is obtained by taking the products first row element 3, first column element 3 by 2. These two are multiplied and subtracted with the corresponding element, that is 2. So 2 minus 3 into 3 by 2. Now it is calculated as minus 5 by 2. So we have filled up first column element, second column element, Still 4 elements are yet to be calculated. Next step, we have to find out remaining elements of second row. Remaining elements of second row are U23 and Y2. Here, the elements are calculated by first form the inner product, that is first row element and column elements are multiplied. Here there is an extra element on the diagonal. So, take corresponding element of A, B, which is 1 minus first row element 5, 1 by 2, and the extra element is need to be divided. So, 1 minus 5 into 1 by 2 into 2 by minus 13 or divided by minus 13 by 2. On calculating, we find that the value is equal to 3 by 13. Next, we calculate y2. y2 is also obtained the same manner in which first we form the product, first row element 5, first column element minus 1 by 2 multiplied, this will be subtracted from the corresponding element 9 and then divide by the extra element minus 13 by 2. So we have 9 minus 5 into minus 1 by 2 divided by minus 13 by 2. This will give you 23 by 13. The next step is step number 5. In this we calculate this remaining element of third column. This is L33. This is calculated by first finding the sum of inner products, that is first row element 3, first column element 1 by 2 are multiplied, added with second row element minus 5 by 2, second column element 3 by 13. After finding the sum of the products, this is to be subtracted with the corresponding element of AB, that is 4. So 4 minus 3 into 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 into 3 by 13, which is calculated to be 40 by 13. So here we have filled up the value 40 by 13. Next, finally, we have only one element remains. This is Y3. Here we find that there are two elements on the row and two elements on the column, and there will be extra element on the row. So first we form the products 3 into minus 1 by 2, add with the second element of row minus 5 by 2, second column element 23 by 13, add the two numbers, subtract with the corresponding element of AB and divide by the extra element 40 by 13. So here the corresponding element is found to be 11 minus 3 into minus 1 by 2, 3 into minus 1 by 2 plus minus 5 by 2 into 23 by 13 divide by diagonal number 40 by 13. When we use a calculator to find out these values, it is found to be 21 by 8. Use always using fraction, otherwise the accuracy will be lost. You have in the calculator you have a button called A, B by C. Use that button to calculate the values in terms of fractions. Finally, the derived matrix takes the following form: 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 5, minus 13 by 2, 3 by 13, 23 by 13, 3, minus 5 by 2, 40 by 13, 21 by 8. But we require only the elements U12, U13, U23, Y1, Y2, Y3 to find out the final solution. But to calculate these values, U's and Y's, we require L's also. So we have founded all the L's, all the U's and Y's. Finally, we substitute the values u12, u13 and u23 in the first matrix, that is 3 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and then 1 3 by 3 by 13, 3 by 13. Here this is here the values here is minus 1 by 2. Sorry, correct. 3 by 2, 1 by 2 and then minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 n for y. So finally the solution is obtained from x plus 3 by 2 y plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2, y plus 3 by 13 is equal to minus 23 by 13 and z equal to 21 by 8. Substitute z here to find out y. Substitute y and z here to compute x. So finally the solution is 7 by 4, 19 by 8 and 21 by 8.